The F-22. The Su-30 and 35. 30. Oh yeah.
Also, when you get yours, they roll forever because they're full bearing.
Right. It's the same as the F-18.
Get ready for takeoff. Man, I should have brought my Su-30
temperature, no data.
You did good out here.
Yeah, especially like now.
Yeah, right down the runway.
Take it.
Go ahead, I'll go behind you. Don't go too crazy because I want to be able to try to catch you. Okay.
Dude, you're hauling! What are you talking about?
No, I just couldn't turn to catch up.
Oh,
I'm good now.
That looks cool. That looks cool.
Go ahead, I'll follow you. I just want to be able to see you. Whoa, there's a lift right there. I gotta get lower next time.
Yeah, we gotta get lower. Alright, I'm setting up.
Temperature 82 degrees Fahrenheit.
Okay. I'm good. Go ahead and do your thing. I'll see you. I'll probably be behind you. Gotta go way back. You're good. I'm gonna split off a little bit.
Alright.
Flight path 22 temperature 19 degrees Fahrenheit.
Gonna do a fast pass from the right.
Oh.
Go ahead.
Go around.
I'll be clear by the time you are. Yeah, there is, right at the end of the runway.
There we go.
This thing loves inverted. Holy crap.
Yeah.
The F-22.
The Su-30 is like that.
Okay, I'm going through the valley right now, and then landing. There is something about the F-22. Oh my God, it is such a floater.
It is. Are you landing?
Yeah,
On the valley.
I'm clear, so come on. Whew! I don't go through the water! Dang it. Coming in. Little bump right there. Yep. Go around. Oh, oh, at least you didn't hit the water. I went right through the water. Yeah. Could have been worse. Whew. That's cool. Lots of fun. Oh yeah, yeah.